Mikey, you're at the cow's butt. Mikey, why are you touching the cow's butt? You know that's going to be my intro, right?
Bom dia.
Bom dia.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike.
And this is Diana. This season is take 2 of an experience that we've already done, but we're doing it differently this time, traveling from the north of England all the way to central Portugal. Armed with a new arsenal, we've got knowledge and we've got a bit of experience, and this time maybe we're even a bit wiser than we were the first time. So I hope you enjoy the ride. You can check out how we cope traveling, looking at properties, and who knows, maybe we might even find the right property. So stay tuned. Laters.
What are you doing then? Like that. Right, brilliant. Obrigado. Bye bye. Like all the streets stacked behind. You like the way it's stacked behind? Just like there, then like that, and like that. That'll be a big glass that. That's like an old Hong Kong building, that one, behind it. But they all them look like Hong Kong buildings. Yeah, one of these buildings. What's them here? Probably our houses actually. Bloody big. That would have been one big one for the posh people to live in. That one. Do you know how much I'd love to go to above that one? Beautiful city like this, 3-story house, probably a cellar as well.
Hi there, thank you for joining me on another episode. So today we are in the beautiful city of Coimbra, taking a walk around, looking at all the beautiful architecture, the sights, the sound, enjoying the experience that we are having here in this magnificent city of Coimbra. We take a walk down the shopping centers and you'll see some very interesting stores, and you will also see us bird watching and having some food. I hope you enjoyed this video, the new format of the video as well. I am working on improving my editing skills, so bear with me while it improves step by step, slowly. We will be coming up with some more videos regarding the purchase of a property, because we'll be making that decision, starting the process of going through lawyers, etc., to get that process started. And we will be sharing all that with you very shortly. So I'll see you later. Enjoy the video. Laters.
I think we've walked up here before, haven't we?
We walked through to the top last time.
Steps in it. I like people watching.
I like people watching. You mean I like watching people?
I don't. I like people watching. It's called people watching.
Watching people.
Yeah, when you sit down and you have a cup of coffee or something like that and you sit
People,
down.
not people watching.
People watching. It's like bird watching.
Yeah, but you're not pointing
It's
out
an
the different
activity.
kinds.
Oh, bird watching.
Daddy likes bird watching, see?
Oh, miss. Are you just filming him?
I'm filming him bird watching.
Tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet. Everywhere.
Touch. What are they?
Roasted cod.
Like roast codfish and stuff like that. No, I love it is.
Mikey, you're in the cow's butt. Mikey, are you touching the cow's butt? You know that's gonna be my intro, right?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Okay.
We rise
There
like
he is, we're going very
tall
cool.
buildings as the
He's gonna crowd that 5 meals.
take us higher.
Oh.
The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pulls down from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
Thanks for watching this video. We really do appreciate your support. Please like, share, and comment on these videos. Let us know what you're enjoying so we can do more of that. And I hope to see you soon. Laters.